All right, this is day 7 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So this is day 9. Day 9, second meal. It is now just shy of 10 o'clock on the dot. So, all right, calm down, guys, calm down. Time for my second meal. So, I've been feeling so good. I think I'm going to give up Prilosec. Obviously I had acid reflux, kind of heartburn stuff. Doctor has me on Prilosec. I'm trying to get off any kind of drugs. I want to be just clean living. So I think I am going to stop Prilosec and see if I don't get any burning sensation in the back of my throat. I'm assuming because I'm not eating crap food that this stuff is not going to cause those kind of problems. So as of today, I stopped taking Prilosec, and I'm going to see what happens and see if I get that kind of like burning sensation I have in the back of my throat. So I'm kind of excited about that. I think that would be really good. Today's Tuesday. I'm going to call the doctor to see if my results are in. Hopefully so. I'd like to see what happened with my cholesterol and my metabolism and kind of go from there. Other than that, I'm getting super excited. I mean, it's past a week now. Obviously, a week and 2 days, and it's kind of weird. I have to say, it's a very strange sensation to like not go out to like lunch. Like I'm so used to just running out and grabbing McDonald's or Subway, and that habit of not needing to do that. Not only does it save me a bunch of money and time, I'm obviously more productive. I can get more stuff done in a day. But it's just weird to kind of break that habit of like needing to go out and eat. Same with breakfast. Like just pop some pills out for my walk. No cleaning up, nothing to worry about. The pills are just always, I put them in a little carrying case. I put them in my pocket. They're always with me. So if I'm out at an event, I can pop them and I don't get hungry. Obviously never hungry. So it's getting really exciting. I actually like the feeling that I have. I have more energy consistently through the day. And I'm just amazed that I'm not tired or not hungry. Anytime I've ever restricted my calories, usually I am, just crap. It's like suffer to try to lose weight, and then as soon as you start eating again, it comes back on. It's a roller coaster ride, yin yang. This is a pretty amazing feeling. So, and it's interesting. I've been reading some studies basically about long life. Cultures. It's what's the name of the book? Blue Waves. Let me see if I can find it. Blue zones. Basically talking about different cultures and who lives the longest and like what cultures that they find everyone's living over 100 years. And it's funny, it's the cultures that have a low calorie diet that seems to be a big thing. So not the standard 2,000 calorie diet, but less calories. And this is even in other mammals, other animals you see, the ones that don't eat a lot of calories have a long lifespan. So I'm wondering if, once I get down to my weight, I can keep that 1,000, maybe I'll bump it up to like 1,500 calories and not be at 2,000 calories. And I wonder if, if obviously I won't lose weight anymore, but also just be super healthy and be very lean. And that's obviously the goal of what I really like to be, but also prolong my life. Singularity University, got to meet Peter Diamandis. He runs Singularity University during the Global Solution Program, which was sponsored by Google. We were trying to stop global warming. So we basically were coming up with really creative concepts to try to help stop global warming. We lived on NASA base last summer for basically 9 weeks. I was working on basically low temperature geothermal and also this balloon concept that was pretty innovative. Ended up getting into their accelerated program, which was another 6 weeks, and then we were one of the 3 teams that actually presented at the Global Summit conference, or FU Summit. It's is it Singularity Global Summit? I think that's what it was called. But anyway, it was like presenting in front of 5,000 people. It was a really cool honor to be one of the 3 companies selected. But anyway, Peter Diamandis has Longevity Inc. It's a company and it's all about prolonging life and trying to get people. Basically, they were saying if you can live another, I think it's 40 or 50 years, technology will advance so much, if you look at the exponential curve, that we'll be able to prolong life an extra year from there on, every year gaining another year. So our life expectancy can keep going and going and going. So the whole goal here is make it, I think it wasn't 50 years actually, I think it's only 30 years. Make it another 30 years, and then technology be so advanced that we can keep us going. So, and this theory is that, you know, at some point you can upload your brain to a computer and kind of go on forever there. But anyway, that's a whole nother theory to talk about and discussions and stuff. We had a lot of late nights at Singularity Universe talking about things like that. What would be cool is he does a full body MRI, does all chemstats, does like the full body workup. It'd be interesting at the end of this, once I get down to my weight, to contact him and see if maybe I can go through all those tests. It'd be really interesting to see, you know, how healthy I am. I mean, obviously, I'm doing my own tests with my doctor. If I have my, you know, cholesterol go down, my blood pressure goes down, my joints, which already stopped hurting, my Achilles tendon stopped hurting. But I don't need to take, obviously, my Prilosec, but all that, it would be great. But I mean, this would be really thorough because you're doing full body MRI and all these other things, microbiome tests, etc. So maybe that'll be something I'll look into once I get down to the 185 weight. But this is exciting stuff. I am thrilled that this is all working out. So, all right, till my next meal.